to Loodle-crafts. Hello, my dear friends. Guess what? I'm by the pond today, and I see some colorful fish swimming around. I'm going to take a few pictures, so I can draw them later. Join with me. Let's draw it together. Ready to go? Let's start drawing together, step by step. Great job on the drawing. Now let's start coloring step by step. Whoa! Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Keep practicing and having fun. And until next time, bye-bye!